All right, this is gonna be a repair attempt for claim number 1142 Kilo 308 Victor, Lower Battle. I've identified this as my control area. This is the shingle I'm gonna be attempting to remove and replace. It's a 22-year-old shingle. Alright, before I get started, I want to demonstrate I cannot create damage with my bare hands. I'm just emulating or simulating the elements, rain, sleet, whatever, anything that would cause this aggregate to fall off. So I'm 225 pounds walking around up here. It's not doing any damage. I've had to break the seal. I don't see any material transfer. Of course, being so old, the seal's kind of breaking up anyway. But again, I cannot damage any of this with my bare hands. Okay. There's the nail. That one blew through. Don't know if you can see that. It's actually in there at an angle. You know what? What in the world? Awkward. This is a awkward little shingle there. All right, according to the shingle applicator manual, I need to lift these tabs high enough to drive a nail flush. I actually forgot to get a picture of the current nail pattern, so let me do that now. Right here is the current nail pattern. So you see how high I have to lift that shingle to drive the nail back to its original placement and without coming down on that shingle. So I'm gonna have to lift this just under 90 degrees to drive a nail flush. one did not dry flush. Let's start that over. All right. Okay, now that I broke the seal, pull the nail and drive a nail. Again, with my hands, cannot damage this. All I'm doing is knocking the aggregate off from where it's been slightly, you know, lifted to lift a nail and drive a nail. Now I've got noticeable crease through here, noticeable crease through here. Same thing. And I don't know how well you can see this on the camera, but I'll step back and you can notice it pretty clearly. It's beginning to look like a lot like that. I can see it very clearly with my eyes here. I've got a bit here, here, all the way across, a little there, all the way across, and a little there. Over time, as it rains, that's going to get worse and eventually look like this. And if they get any more wind, it's going to flap and fall off. But that actually looks worse than a previously identified wind crease right there and there. This roof is too old to be repaired. Again, I'm not sure how well you can see that crease in this camera, but I'm gonna take some pictures because I can see it very well.